Welcome, Deronda here, popping in on your midweek to show you how to make this perfectly delicious microwave broccoli in 4 minutes. When looking for broccoli, look for this emerald green color. If you see any brown or yellow here on your florets, it's an old broccoli. Don't purchase it. Make sure your florets are nice and firm when you push down on them. That will ensure you've got lovely, fresh broccoli. Now, I like cutting mine down into bite sizes, so I go here underneath, and you're just going to pull it apart like that until you get the desirable bite-sized pieces you're looking for. I purchased my broccoli already washed, or you can just purchase the broccoli that you can just rinse under nice, cool, running tap water. I've got about 2 cups of broccoli florets here. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water, along with a few sprinkles of salt. This isn't necessary, but I'm going to leave it up to you, and a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. Now, I always use a glass bowl when microwaving, and also a glass top. I'm using a glass pie pan to cover the top, and now this is off to the microwave for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I'm letting the steam escape. You've got this perfectly microwaved broccoli. It's lovely, steamy, and perfectly tender. As you can see, it'll just pull apart. I gotta give it a try. Perfect for a side dish or just for a snack all by itself. Add fresh lemon juice, add olive oil, butter, whatever else you like on your broccoli. I'm going to leave that up to you. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, y'all. Stay safe, and I'll catch you lovely people later.